Hi everyone, we're going to do a surveying problem. We want to find the distance from house A right here. So there's some house here. And then we have a house at B. So there's the house at B. Okay, and to find the distance, we need to find this distance. And it's across from C, so I'm going to call it C. I'm going to call the side across from A, little a, side across from big B, little b. So basically what happens is he measures the angle of BAC, which is this angle, to be 40 degrees. He then, 40, why did I put that? All right, 40 degrees. All right, then he walks from A to C 100 feet and measures the angle of AC, so ACB right here, to be 50 degrees. So now we want to know what this distance is here from A to B. And we're going to use the law of sines. So basically we need to know that if this angle is 40 and this is 50, then this angle right here is going to be 90, because the sum of the angles have to equal 180. And we just need to find C. So I'm going to use sine of 50. Basically I'm using sine of C over little c equals sine of big B over little b. That's basically what I'm using. So sine of 50 over C, which is what we're looking for, equals sine of 90. The sine of 90 is 1. So sine of 90 over 100. And I'm going to cross multiply. So you get C equals 100 sine of 50 degrees. By the way, these should be in degrees. I just get lazy. Over sine of 90. And to save time, you should know that sine of 90 degrees is 1. So all you have to do is put this in the calculator right there, and you're going to get approximately 76.60 feet. Okay? That's all. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.